Hey guys, I hope you guys are good and keeping safe. So today we're going to do is press on nails. They're keys. They're called the Keys Gel Fantasy Collections. They are short in length and they're 28 in the package, and they are a 7-day wear. So you can literally put them on for 7 days. I believe that's the max. So they are pretty easy to install, especially if you have somewhere to go and you're in a rush, or you don't want to sit for long hours in the salon. You can literally just pop them on and you're ready to go. So here I was showing you the glue, and what comes with this package is a buffer. They come with the buffer and a cuticle pusher and adhesive tabs, those ones that you can use to press on your nails. But in this video I did not use them, unfortunately. I used the glue. And excuse my ashy hands, guys. I really excuse my ashy hands. I realized after done with the nails, I was like, oh god, your hands are so ishy. Excuse me for saying my nails. Your hands are so ishy. But anyway, that is the cuticle pusher and that is the buffer, and it also comes with the instruction, of which, to be honest, I didn't read that much, but yeah, you should. Here I was opening the adhesive tabs. Adhesive tabs, of which I didn't use, but I'm pretty sure I'll use them the next time. So here what I did was, I was pushing my cuticles away from the nail. As you can see here, I am pressing on the nail. The instruction said you should do that for like 5 seconds, of which I did. And this is the end result. I only showed you my left hand because I'm right-handed, so I did the other hand of the video, but this is how they turned out. I hope you enjoy the video and see you on my next one. Bye.